Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are talking about something everyone wants, passive income. But not the fluffy clickbait stuff. I'm giving you 5 passive income ideas that actually work in 2025. These aren't get rich quick hacks. They are real strategies that take some setup, but once they are running, they can bring in money while you sleep, travel, or focus on other things. Let's be clear up front. Passive income doesn't mean zero effort. In the beginning, there's work involved. You're building something up front so it can pay you later. But once that system is running, the income becomes consistent, and that's where real financial freedom begins. So let's get into the first idea, and honestly it's one of the most underrated, which is dividend investing. If you've got money sitting in a savings account earning next to nothing, you're missing out. Dividend paying ETFs and stocks can generate cash flow every single quarter, and you don't have to lift a finger. For example, something like ACHD or VYM pays consistent dividends from a basket of strong, reliable companies. You can reinvest those dividends or take them as income, and the best part, as your portfolio grows, your payouts grow too. It's one of the most boring, powerful ways to build long-term wealth, and it's 100% passive once it's set up. The second one is digital products. This is perfect for creatives, educators, or honestly anyone with a specific skill or experience. In 2025, selling digital products like ebooks, templates, Notion dashboards, workout plans, or budget sheets is easier than ever. Platforms like Gumroad, Payhip, or Etsy lets you upload once, and every time someone buys, you get paid. You can even automate delivery and integrate with email lists. The setup takes effort, but you've got to make something useful. But once it's live, it sells on autopilot. I've seen creators make thousands a month with one product that took them a weekend to make. Next up is YouTube automation or faceless YouTube channels. This one's getting big in 2025. The idea is simple. You create valuable content, but you don't have to be on camera. Think of finance breakdowns, motivational content, tech explainers, or even top 10 lists. You script it, get a voiceover, add visuals or stock footage, and post. With consistency and good topics, your videos can keep earning ad revenue long after they are uploaded. Add affiliate links and digital products to the mix, and it becomes a full income ecosystem. This takes time to grow, but once a video takes off, it pays over and over, sometimes for years. The fourth passive income stream is rental income. Now I know what you're thinking. How is real estate passive? In the beginning, it's not. You have to buy the property, maybe fix it, screen tenants, and deal with the management. But once it's set up, especially if you hire a property manager, rental income can become extremely passive. Duplexes, single family homes, even short-term rentals in the right market can generate monthly cash flow while building long-term equity. And in 2025, with tools like AirDNA, Roofstock, and property management software, it's easier than ever to manage this like a business. And finally, number 5, which is my favorite, is affiliate marketing. This one's huge and it's still underrated if you do it. For example, TikTok Shop. The idea is simple. You recommend a product or service, and when someone uses your link to buy it, you get paid. This works on platforms like YouTube, TikTok, blogs, newsletters, wherever people consume content. But here's the key in 2025. Don't promote random stuff. Promote products you actually use or that are highly relevant to your niche. Think investing platforms, apps, courses, software. It becomes truly passive when your content ranks in search or gets views over time. You make the video or post once and it earns over and over. Now, can you combine these? Absolutely. Imagine you start a faceless YouTube channel talking about finance. You monetize with YouTube ads, promote dividend paying ETFs, link to your own budget planner, and include affiliate links. That's 4 streams in one brand. The goal is to stack passive income, not just rely on one thing. But here's the truth. None of this happens overnight. Every passive income stream takes efforts up front. The money comes later, and that's the mistake most people make. They quit before it compounds. You've got to treat passive income like planting seeds. You water them, you wait, and eventually you harvest. It's not about getting rich next week. It's about setting up systems that keep paying you year after year. So if you're serious about building passive income in 2025, pick one stream, focus hard on it, build it fully, then move to the next. Over time, your income becomes more automatic, more diversified, and way more scalable. With that being said, thanks for watching. If you've got value from this video, hit that like button and subscribe. I post real honest strategies about building wealth, not hype. And comment below answering this question: which of these passive income streams are you focusing on this year? Remember, you don't need to be a genius to build passive income. You just need a plan, consistency, and patience to let it grow. See you in the next one.